What is up? So we finally moved in. Our fridge got delivered this morning, and then I realized I forgot to install the water line.
Gatorade. H2O. Gatorade. H2O.
For the ice and the water. So I got this cool fridge, and I can't get any water out of it. Check this out, guys. Like that. But I don't have any water. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into it. Alright guys, so first we cleared underneath the sink. This is where we're going to be changing the valve. And then the second step that we did was we went outside and turned off the water, the main. Alright, so I have here everything I think I'm going to use. I have our 12-foot polymer braided ice maker water line. They brought this with the fridge this morning when they brought it in. A dual shutoff valve. This is a Shark Bite 1/2 inch by 3/8 OD compression. And this has a shutoff on each line. Some drill bits here for removing the dishwasher and oven. A regular drill here with the Phillips head. Some channel locks. Adjustable. And then an adjustable wrench. And then this one I had to pick up. This is a junior tube cutter by Husky. This is just to cut the copper. So our lines here are painted, but they're copper. And then we have another drill, a driver with a bit to make the holes in the wood. We are going to start. We're going to put this rag here to catch any of the water comes off, and we're going to take off this water line here. Then we're going to take our tube cutter and open it up. And I guess, alright, we're going to cut it right underneath this. Alright, and so with this, you just put it on there, you tighten it, and you start to turn the pipe cutter. Alright, and it has a little blade right there that's going to start to cut the copper pipe, and then it'll get looser and you'll tighten this a little bit more, and you'll keep going. Next, make sure you deburr the pipe. So make sure there's no sharp edges on the inside. Alright, we forgot, but next you need a deburr. Here's a little small tool from Rigid that you can use. I had something similar to this. Alright, and then we have our dual shutoff. Alright, so this is 1/2 inch for the copper, and then it has a 3/8 inch right here for the water line for the sink. And then it has a 1/4 inch for the, am I bleeding? Oh, I am. Next it says to measure 0.95 of an inch. So here's the inch. We're going to mark the 16th line right below it. That's how far our Shark Bite needs to go onto the pipe. And we deburred it, it's clean. We're going to slide it on there.
Maybe the sharpener would help.
Boom. Alright, we got it on there, and then it came with this little protector that just goes over the fitting. Alright, and that's it for that one. Unfortunately, our water line is too short. We're gonna have to go pick up a longer water line for the cold water, but that's a whole nother thing. We are ready. We already have a hole here for the dishwasher, for the water line for that, so we are just going to run our new line. We're going to go ahead and connect it and then run it. This video is brought to you by Built Bar, so check them out, builtbar.com. If you're looking for high quality, nutritious snacks, these are protein bars. I recommend these. Check them out, guys. They're around 140 calories a bar, 2.5 grams of fat, and 17 grams of protein. And I keep these around at the shop, at the house, with me when I go out, when I'm doing jobs. Just a quick snack that I can grab. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Alright guys, so we pulled out the dishwasher. I don't want to mess with everything, unhook the wiring and all that. So I'm going to reach in there and just drill the hole towards the oven. There's nothing really behind the oven, there's a cavity. So I'm not too worried about that. And then we'll just push the water line that way.
I was trying to set it
Oh
up.
my goodness. Alright guys, see in here?
You can see the red dot right there. It's on you.
That's on you. Man, this cameraman about to get fired, bro.
I don't even have a job. You don't pay me.
You're fired.
Alright guys, so you see back here, there's our hole. That goes into our where our oven is at. So we're just gonna run the line behind there. Then we'll push the dishwasher back and set it all back up and continue with the oven.
A little bit.
Cool. But first, we're gonna pull the fridge out and make the hole from that side. And then that way when we pull the oven out, we just have to run it out and then push the oven right back in.
This is a light fridge.
Alright guys, thanks to my wonderful helper here. We got it. Now, we just have our water line here that needs to be connected down here. Pop the little plastic thing off. Can you hand me the adjustable? We're gonna go turn on the water. We've got both of our valves shut off down here, and then the water connected over here to the fridge. All right guys, so no issues, no water leaking anywhere. So this is the one for the sink. You can see nothing. We have the water off. We're gonna go ahead and turn it on, make sure we don't have a leak here at this connection, and one on the fridge, make sure. So we'll see how that goes. First, make sure you put the filter on the fridge. Let me check that real quick. All right, we are back. We put our filter in the fridge. We're gonna turn this on, moment of truth.
Anything?
Nothing here. Let's go over here and check the fridge. Nothing here, we're good. Now let's try it out. Need a cup, water bottle. Try it out. Water.
Ah, there you go.
Hey,
Just took a while for it to get to the purifying.
let's go.
It's clean. It's cold. Now that's what I call high quality H2O.
It works. We got water. We're good. Check again. Yeah, dry, no leaks. All right, that's it. We're gonna hook up dishwasher line that we took out and go pick up a line for the sink faucet, and that's it. We will be done here. We're gonna go ahead and put the fridge back.